properties of exponents. All right. Next one is square root of 56 x to the fifth power times y to the fifth power divided by the square root of 7x y. 7 times x times y. Don't forget our properties. If the square root of a is a real number and the square root of b is a real number, then the square root of a divided by the square root of b is equal to the square root of a over b, or a divided by b. Both sayings are correct and accurate. We're going to rewrite that the same way. Square root of, let's do that a little better. Square root of 56 x to the fifth times y to the fifth equal over 7x y. Let's be reminded of our properties of exponents. X to the m over x to the n equals x to the m minus n. Alright, so here we go. 56 divided by 7. 7, count by 7, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56. That's 8 times. So we got the square root of 8. X to the fifth over x is equal to x to the fifth minus 1. So it's going to be x to the fourth power. And y to the fifth minus y to the 1, or divided by y to the first power is equal to x. Y to 5 minus 1 is equal to y to the fourth power. Let's make these 4s a little better. Now we're going to simplify further. Square root of 8 is equal to, I'm going to make a factor tree. I'm going to look to factor out perfect square. So 4 is a perfect square. 4 times 2. So that square root of 8 can be rewritten as square root of 4 times the square root of 2. We're going to bring everything else down times x to the fourth power times y to the fourth power. All we're using here is the principles of multiplication. Square root of 4, now we're going to simplify. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 2 cannot be factored any further. We're going to leave it as is. There aren't any perfect squares that are factors of 2. Then the square root of x to the fourth power equals x. So times x. Square root of y to the fourth, or x squared, excuse me. And square root of y to the fourth is y squared. We can traditionally put our coefficients in the front. We don't put it behind, so we write it as 2x to the second power, y to the second power, square root of 2. All right.